Welcome back to another Gary Keep It Simple. You might have seen one of these. Should you get it? Let's have a look.
And today we've got this to look at. Micro-DV camera. It's brand new. Straight out of the box. Looks lovely, doesn't it? So it's there, it's got 3 mounting clips, lanyard for and USB charging cable, and it's got a battery life of up to 2 hours. Sounds, too good to be true. Then you look at it and you think, this is what comes in the box. And it's got a mounting clip. And set of instructions. And sort of like a wrist strap type thing, lanyard. That's nothing to do with it, that's something else. And it's got a couple more clips. It's got a crocodile type back on it. It's got something very similar to a normal slide-in mount. So far it's all looking pretty good. And then you want to look at the camera. And you think, well, what does the camera actually look like? I've seen what the picture of the camera looks like, but what does the actual camera look like? And it's that. It's neat. It's incredibly small. Look at the size of my podgy thumb. It is the size of my podgy thumb. Fairly shorter than my podgy thumb. There we go. And on it we have various switches and sockets. That's the power. That's the start stop mode. Slot for the SD card. And USB input, stroke output. Lens on the front. Feels nice. Feels pretty good. And it also comes with one of those, so you can keep it dry and use it in the adventures. Oh yeah, there's a little like wrist strap thing for it. What I'll do now is I shall put it all in the box to the computer and see where we go from there.
So, is it any good? So, nice looking box, nice looking camera. This is shots out of the window at about 8:30 at night, and this is shots in a well lit room. And then we're going to go for a little bit of, this is the room next to the well lit room, which wasn't well lit but was not totally pitch black as it looks like here. I have tried an experiment to see if I can pull out anything from it, and there's nothing to pull out. This is just not receiving stuff, and as you can see, just a very slight amount of thing, and that's back to the well lit room. Is it worth it? It records in AVI format, and it comes up with mismatch errors on things like QuickTime and Real Player and VLC. It doesn't do a particularly good job in the dark, and even in the fairly bright light of a well lit room it gives you really smeary images. Stationary, yeah, it's okay. Is it worth the money? Well, I don't think so, but when you see how much it cost, it's $2.99. It was marked down from $9.99. Is it worth $2.99? Well, if you just want to play with it, it's fine. But would you pay $9.99 for it? No, I wouldn't pay $9.99 for it. So in round up, it's small, it's neat, it's not very expensive, but it's really only a toy. And if you buy it on that basis, you're fine. Otherwise, you're going to be disappointed. Thanks a lot. Don't forget to sign up and subscribe, like the videos, do all that sort of stuff. And I'll catch you another time. Cheers, bye bye.